Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change the language on the Nike Store app. So how do you change the language on the Nike Store app? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store app. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. A menu like this will appear. Next, tap the Language Store menu. This will appear, where you can select the language of your chosen country. Next, tap OK. You finished changing the language in the Nike app. So, that's the tutorial on how to change the language on the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.